Before we get started, smash that sub and subscribe to my channel. Today we're going to be making Snickerdoodle Puppy Chow snack mix.
Cool.
Before we get started, I want to introduce a special guest, Evelyn. Hi. We're best friends. Let's get started. The ingredients you'll need is cinnamon Chex mix. Don't mind my not opening. Evelyn, do you want to cut it?
Yes, please.
Step 2. Have 1 cup of these candy melts. Evelyn, do you want to cut it for us? So you can keep doing it, and then I'll do a little bit, and then I'm gonna pour it in the small glass bowl. Now it's time to melt the candy melts for 30 seconds. Evelyn, do you want to put it in?
Of course.
I'm gonna stir it all up. We're gonna put it in for another 30 seconds. Sure. 4, 3, 2, 1. Evelyn, you can do it.
Thanks.
You're welcome. Now we're gonna strip the cereal and be careful, you cannot break the cereal. Now we're gonna do 1½ teaspoons of cinnamon. Now we're gonna add 3 tablespoons of sugar. Evelyn, you can do the honors.
Good.
Now we're gonna add 1/3 cup of confectioner sugar. Now we're gonna pour this into the cereal mixture. Evelyn, you can pour and I'll hold it. Now it's time to line the baking sheet. That hurt. Wait.
No one wants to do it.
Yeah, no one does. Maybe I can say this.
You need help?
Yes.
So can I show you? Yeah. Can I start from the start? Is there like this sharp thing?
Oh yeah.
You could go like that. Or like it'll like cut it somehow.
I'm hunting.
I'll let you do that.
I always cut myself on this. Wait, we're making a test. Let's try this again.
I think you're gonna need help. Get it all out.
We have one into
Get all the sugars out. We love sugar.
I love vegetables too. Okay.
Okay. Should we let's just get some more out, you know?
Want some help?
Yeah. Oh my god. It's stuck.
Okay. I'm gonna. Oh, it's stuck.
I'll put pepperoni first. I bet this is gonna taste really good.
Yeah. It should be named the Besties Snack Mix.
Yeah. And it should be like for sleepovers and playdates and stuff.
Yeah. Okay, I think that's good. Now we're gonna refrigerate this. It's been about 10 minutes now. Now it's time to take it out.
Thank you, Serafina.
You're welcome.
Oh, it looks so good now.
Yeah, it does.
Do we start?
Oh, that's gonna take a
You want me to do something?
Sure. I'm gonna have you pour these pumpkins candies in, and then I'll stir.
Okay. That's a lot.
Yeah.
They look so good. Too good.
Now we're gonna scoop it into our cups. Okay, that's good. Now it's our favorite part, to taste test.
Already started that. So good. 10 out of 10.
I think 1,000 out of 1,000.
Great.
Oh yeah, guys! Remember, smash that thumb up and subscribe to my channel so you can be part of my unicorn making community. Bye! Besties!
Besties. Nice work.
Snickerdoodle Chex Mix.
Cinnamon.
Halloween mental pumpkins.
Candy wafers.
Powdered sugar.
Confectioner sugar.
Some of the whippers.
And some cute bowls.
Some pans.
Storage bags.
And some liners. Yay! Time to melt the little metal. Now we're gonna do 3 teaspoons. Now we're going to pour our cereal Chex Mix into this pan. Scary track. Don't
Just say it.
What's up there? Shh, we don't tell our parents.